Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday raised serious concerns over reports of indelible ink being easily wiped off during the recent Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections, terming it a new form of what he described as vote chori. Responding to the media reports and viral videos, Chief Minister said the alleged removal of ink using sanitizer, acetone and other agents raises grave questions about electoral credibility and democratic safeguards. In a post on social media platform X, Siddaramaiah said democracy survives only when every vote is sacred and stressed that electoral safeguards must never be compromised. This is not an isolated incident. It reflects a larger pattern where genuine questions are met with denial or silence, endorsing trust in the democratic institutions, he said, urging the Election Commission to take immediate corrective action. The remarks come amidst intensified political campaigning, while the Congress alleging electoral irregularities and demanding greater transparency and accountability in the electoral process.